it is my first day in Mexico, and I would like to start this vlog by showing you the room that I have. Today, as I already said, I'm staying all by myself because my plane was cancelled and I was supposed to be coming the same time as my mom and Paul is coming, but because the flight was cancelled, I came one day earlier, and so I have all this space for me. And I just booked for us a spa tomorrow because this is like resort and spa, so I'm going twice tomorrow for my facial and for a massage with my mom in the evening. And now I'm going to the gym because I have nothing else to do, and I'm like, whatever. And it's only 4 p.m. right now, and in Amsterdam it's about midnight already, so like I should really spend some time doing something, so I'll not go to sleep, and maybe I will, you know, get this time zone better. But let me show you the room first. So when we come in inside, we see living room and bed and the TV with a view on the garden. There's even a little bit of ocean there, but I don't know how to open the door, so I will not show you exactly. Then there is a kitchen here where like there's literally everything, dishwasher, huge oven, huge fridge. It's pretty cool. Ta-da! And welcome to bathroom, which also looks very nice. Toilet, me again. Yeah. And this is a bedroom with huge jacuzzi here, which this is exactly what I'm gonna do tonight. And a huge bed. Oh, here actually the view is even nicer. I think pretty nice. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go try to find gym right now. I a little bit got sunburned already. I've been only here for, I don't know, a day. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to drink water from the tap as in Amsterdam. And it's really, you know, I'm confused now, like, because I need water, and especially if I'm going to the gym now, I need a lot of water. So I think also I'll try to find and get some water. Today is my second day in Mexico, in San Jose del Cabo. Or del Cabo, I don't know. My mom and Paul is coming today finally, and right now I want to have breakfast because I've been hungry since yesterday, and yesterday I went to sleep around 7 p.m. which is like around 3 a.m. Amsterdam time, and I was waking up a lot during the night. I didn't feel good, and eventually I woke up around 7 in the morning, so basically I slept from 7 to 7, feel perfect. And yeah, I wanted to order something into the room, but then decided to go check out the area, maybe eat near the ocean, because I didn't go to the ocean yesterday. So I'm gonna go and check it out right now. Let's go. So I came to the beach to have my breakfast here. Super nice view, and I just talked to my mom. They're about to board on the plane to come here. Finally, can't wait for them to come. And I think after that I'll do a little walk on the beach because I still didn't see the ocean, didn't say hi to the ocean. And then yeah, then my mom will be finally here. planet. Like, it's just insane. Oh my god, I love this world so much. Every time I'm on a plane and I see kind of from the sky how beautiful is our planet, it just blows my mind. I don't believe it. It's so beautiful. Walking here and I was like looking at this ocean and I was like, this is like one of the most beautiful beaches and water I've seen in my life, and the water is so warm and it's just so nice to, you know, feel it. And I realized something. It is the Pacific Ocean. This is the Pacific Ocean. I never seen a Pacific Ocean before. Wow. Now I've seen both of the oceans. I mean, two only. Atlantic and Pacific. This is, I can't describe it. It is so huge and it's just wow.
After that, I returned to hotel, got some margarita, and was enjoying my day next to this beautiful pool.
So it is 2 p.m. now, and I think my mom is about to arrive, so I'm gonna go have a look. Look who arrived! So we met finally, and there's people in the hotel. They're like, oh, for people who just arrived, we have welcome tequila shots. And I'm like, I arrived yesterday, nobody gave me tequila yesterday. Like, what? Discrimination. Yeah, so we got ready. Oh, look how like synchronic. We just got ready and we're about to go to have a dinner together. Today we decided to go out of the hotel. Like yesterday I was a bit upset because I thought like there's not much to eat, but then I looked out and then we can just walk like 10 minutes and we can go and eat something else because like I didn't like the hotel food much, so we're going to have a sushi tonight. Sushi.